Introducing the Ultrean Air Fryer 6 Quart, the culinary marvel that promises to transform your cooking experience into a delightful journey of flavors, health, and convenience. With cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, this air fryer is more than just an appliance. It's your ticket to fry, roast, grill, and bake your favorite meals with ease. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional cooking methods and say hello to a world of culinary possibilities. Here are the key features of Ultrean Air Fryer 6 Quart. Unleash the power of 360-degree rapid air frying. Gone are the days of excessive oil and greasy meals. Thanks to Ultrean's revolutionary 360-degree rapid air frying technology, you can now enjoy the indulgence of fried food with up to 80% less fat. This means you can savor the crispy goodness of your favorite treats without the guilt. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure that delights your taste buds and nourishes your well-being. A multifunctional culinary masterpiece, the Ultrean Air Fryer 6 Quart is not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one cooking wizard. Imagine having a single appliance that can fry your crispy delights, roast succulent meats, grill flavorful vegetables, and even bake delectable treats. With this culinary powerhouse in your kitchen, you'll never run out of inspiration for mouth-watering meals. And as a bonus, the exclusive Ultrean recipe cookbook ensures that your culinary journey is boundless. Cooking for a crowd made effortless, are you tired of juggling multiple pots and pans? The Ultrean Air Fryer's generous cooking capacity is here to rescue you. Prepare lip-smacking dishes for 6 minutes 8 people without the hassle. Whether it's a family gathering, a friendly get-together, or a simple dinner, this air fryer has got you covered. The 7 cooking presets make the process a breeze, allowing you to multitask while your meals are being perfected. User-friendly operation and safety, cooking should be a joy, not a chore. The Ultrean Air Fryer makes it incredibly easy with its user-friendly features. The auto shut-off and overheat protection ensure your safety, while the LCD display and soft buttons guarantee effortless operation. Cleanup is a breeze as well, thanks to the dishwasher-safe accessories. Embrace cooking without worries and revel in the culinary wonders you'll create. A lifetime of support and warranty at Ultrean, customer satisfaction is paramount. We stand by our product with a dedicated team of experts ready to assist you with any concerns. Plus, our 1-year warranty ensures your peace of mind. With Ultrean, you're not just purchasing an air fryer, you're gaining a culinary companion for life. Conclusion: the Ultrean Air Fryer 6 Quart is a game changer in the world of cooking. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a gateway to healthier, more flavorful meals. Elevate your culinary prowess, impress your loved ones, and embrace a lifestyle of deliciousness and well-being. Say hello to convenience, versatility, and the joy of cooking with Ultrean.